Here we have a 1938 General Electric radio. It's an E81, and it's a Canadian-made radio, 3 bands with a tuning indicating I-tube in it. Overall, a beautiful radio. One thing that surprised me when I was working at it is that I had just finished working on an E81 made in the USA, and it was a totally different radio. Different chassis, different tubes, no I-tube. And the difference between the American version and the Canadian version was awesome. But this one, I prefer this one. It's a beautiful radio, beautiful veneers on it. Sound and the performance of it is excellent, and a quality radio without a doubt. I went through the usual problems with it. I changed all the old capacitors in it. The I-tube is new, and when I got it first, it had been modified to some extent to use tubes that were available at the time, I guess, and so some sockets were changed and some solid-state components were put in there, which I removed and restored it back to its original condition. And when we fired it up, it just came on and it sang beautifully. A quality radio, very nice.